Breaking news. Renowned filmmaker David Lynch, celebrated for his surreal and visionary works such as Twin Peaks and Mulholland Drive, has passed away at the age of 78. Lynch's family announced his death, stating it has left a big hole in the world. The director had been battling emphysema, a condition he discussed openly in recent interviews. In August 2024, he revealed that the disease had rendered him housebound, and by November, he required supplemental oxygen for daily activities, stating, "I can hardly walk across a room." Tributes have poured in from across the film industry. Director Steven Spielberg remarked, "The world is going to miss such an original and unique voice.